What if I told you that the IRS has a perfectly legal way for you to never pay taxes on a huge chunk of your retirement income? No offshore accounts, no sketchy loopholes that get closed tomorrow, and definitely no "trust me bro" strategies. Yet somehow, most retirees either ignore this strategy or do it completely wrong, and it can cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars in unnecessary taxes. Today on XTRM Finance, we're revealing how the Roth conversion loophole could potentially help you build tax-free income in retirement by shifting assets at the right time, in the right way, and under the right tax conditions. Stick with me, because this one decision could be the difference between retiring comfortably or retiring with the IRS as your silent business partner. And trust me, you don't want roommates in retirement. Welcome back to XTRM Finance, the channel where we break down money, taxes, investing, and retirement strategies without the fluff, so you can keep more of what you earn and stop overfunding Uncle Sam's lifestyle. If you care about tax-free retirement income, Roth IRAs and Roth conversions, retirement tax planning, and legally minimizing lifetime taxes, you're absolutely in the right place. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't realize until it's too late. Retirement is not a low-tax phase for many Americans. In fact, for a lot of retirees, taxes actually go up. Why? Because required minimum distributions, also known as RMDs, kick in. Social Security becomes taxable. Medicare premiums increase due to income thresholds, and tax brackets may rise in the future. That big traditional IRA or 401k you were so proud of building, the IRS sees it as a delayed invoice. They didn't forget about that money. They just let it grow, so they could tax more of it later. And this is exactly where the Roth conversion loophole comes into play. Let's simplify this. No tax jargon overload. A Roth conversion is when you move money from a traditional IRA or traditional 401k into a Roth IRA. When you do this, you pay taxes now, in exchange for tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals later. And here's the loophole part. There are no income limits on Roth conversions. That's right. Even if you make $300,000, $500,000, or $1 million a year, you can still convert traditional retirement funds into a Roth. That's why this is often called a loophole, because Congress never closed it. And before you ask, yes, it's 100% legal. Here's where strategy matters. The biggest mistake people make with Roth conversions is doing them at the wrong time, in the wrong tax bracket, or all at once. Think of taxes like water pressure. If you open the faucet slowly, things are fine. If you blast it wide open, things get messy. Same thing with Roth conversions. The goal is not to eliminate taxes completely. The goal is to pay taxes at the lowest possible rate over your lifetime. That's the game. And the best window to do Roth conversions is often during what's called the retirement tax gap. The retirement tax gap is typically the period after you stop working, but before Social Security and RMDs begin. For many people, this window is age 60 to 73 or later depending on rules. During this time, your earned income may be very low. You control how much taxable income you generate. Your tax bracket may be temporarily lower. This is when Roth conversions shine. You're essentially filling up lower tax brackets on purpose, moving money into a tax-free bucket, reducing future RMDs, and lowering taxes on Social Security later. It's like rearranging furniture before the moving truck arrives. Once RMDs start, that truck has no brakes. Let's talk outcomes. When money is inside a Roth IRA, it grows tax-free. Withdrawals are tax-free. No RMDs during your lifetime. That last point is huge. Traditional IRAs force you to withdraw money whether you need it or not. Roth IRAs, total flexibility. This means better control over taxable income, lower Medicare, EMIA surcharges, less taxation of Social Security, more efficient estate planning. In short, Roth money gives you options, and in retirement, options, power. Here's a simplified framework many tax-aware retirees use. Step 1. Estimate your future income sources: Social Security, pensions, RMDs, investment income. Step 2. Identify low-income years before RMDs begin. Step 3. Convert just enough traditional IRA money each year to stay within a desired tax bracket. Avoid jumping into higher brackets. Step 4. Repeat annually. This gradual approach helps smooth taxes over time. Avoid large one-time tax bills. Maximize long-term tax-free growth. It's boring, it's methodical, and it works. If this is already making more sense than anything your 401k provider ever explained, drop a comment below and tell us, Roth conversion or traditional IRA. Let us know where you're at right now. And if you know someone who's approaching retirement and still thinks taxes magically disappear at 65, share this video with them. You might save them a very awkward conversation with the IRS later. Let's talk about what not to do. Mistake number 1. Converting everything at once. This can push you into higher tax brackets, Medicare premium penalties, state tax surprises. Mistake number 2. Ignoring state taxes. Some states are very Roth-friendly, others not so much. Mistake number 3. Forgetting about Medicare. EMA. Higher income can raise Medicare Part B and D premiums. Mistake number 4. Not planning for cash to pay taxes. Using IRA money to pay the conversion tax reduces the benefit. Roth conversions are powerful, but only when coordinated properly. Let's be honest. National debt is massive. Government spending isn't shrinking, and tax rates are historically low. That's not a political statement, that's math. Many retirees assume they'll be in a lower tax bracket forever. But RMDs increase income, tax laws change. Brackets can shift. Roth conversions are essentially tax insurance. You're locking in known rates today to protect yourself from unknown rates tomorrow. And certainty is underrated. Roth conversions tend to work best for people who have large traditional IRA or 401k balances, expect long retirements, want flexibility in retirement income, care about tax-efficient wealth transfer. But they may not be ideal if you're already in a very high tax bracket. You need the money immediately. You lack cash to pay conversion taxes. This is not one size fits all. It's strategy first, numbers second, ego last. One often overlooked benefit. Roth IRAs are incredibly powerful for heirs. Your beneficiaries receive tax-free distributions, avoid income tax headaches, get more after-tax value. In many cases, Roth conversions shift wealth from the IRS to your family. That's not a loophole. That's planning. Let's bring this home. The Roth conversion loophole isn't about gaming the system. It's about understanding the rules, using timing strategically, and keeping more of what you've already earned. Retirement isn't just about how much you save. It's about how much you keep. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people who need it. Comment below with your age or retirement status. We read every comment. Share this with a friend or family member who's still assuming taxes won't matter later. And make sure you're subscribed to XTRM Finance, because on this channel, we don't chase hype. We chase clarity, control, and tax efficiency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.